Hey guys, so it is 5:15 now and we are all packed and ready to go. Just waiting for a ride and then we'll be heading over to the airport to head out to Cancun. So, yeah. Arrived at Cancun and we finally got settled to our room, so I figure I will do a quick room tour for you guys. What they provided for us, and this is an all-inclusive resort, so all of this is free, you guys. Oh, I can't wait for those party tomorrow. I'm gonna need these tomorrow. Wow, I can't believe that I went to Cancun. Like, it feels so like, I feel like I'm still at home, but just at like a really nice 5-star hotel. But yeah, so we just got here and we are about to settle down for a bit, wash up, and probably just meet up with my in-laws for dinner. So I'm not really sure what's the plan for dinner yet, and I can't wait to go and dip myself in the pool, which kind of sucks in a way because per the weather, they said it's gonna rain like tomorrow and well the rest of the day that we're here, but fingers crossed that it doesn't rain and that, you know, they give us good weather because it would suck if it rains. But yeah, I cannot wait to go dip my feet in that pool, so I'm gonna change and go in there really quick. Guys, so right now we are heading out to dinner. We not sure yet where we are eating yet, but hopefully it's somewhere good because we didn't really eat lunch or anything like that. First drink for on the trip, yeah. It's so sex on the beach. And if you guys don't know, Cancun, most of the resorts are like all-inclusive, so it's free drinks and free food like 99% of the time. Yeah, our room is kind of similar to this, but that's not our room. So let's walk out. So now we are heading out to the beach-ish to go eat their buffet. Everybody just kind of packed casual clothing. We couldn't really go into the other restaurants. Hopefully they have good food because we haven't really ate all day. Like, none of us. I had to get a picture of our hotel room tonight we will be like, I think that one, because my in-laws got that area there. So we will be there tonight. And hopefully I can get a little scene of the ocean, which is over there. Yeah, so earlier, like, we went to eat dinner, right? And it was so, the food was good, but there was so much mosquito that I got this really big, like, mosquito bite right on my face. I don't know if you can see it now, but ugh. And now we're heading out to the 5th level pool lounge, and that's where they have the infinity pool. So we are upstairs in my in-laws pool area. It's like the master suite, and it's so nice. It's so big and everything, and we can see everywhere else. Maybe I'll show you guys how it looks like. Like, the only thing that's stuck is the pool they have. It's quite okay, but it's not as deep. It's like a little bit over your knee. So we're heading off to the beach. I was like so upset that it might be like rainy and stormy, but it actually ended up really bright and it's so sunny. There's no cloud at all. Actually at the pool right now. I swear I think I could make this an annual vacation or something. So beautiful. But it's freezing up here. Hey guys, so we're heading out to dinner, and before we head out, I just want to show you guys a quick outfit of the day. This is what I'm wearing. This is from Target, and my shoe is from, where was it from? DSW. So yeah, so we're going to a nice Brazilian place, so we kind of dress up, and I'll see you guys over there. See if I'm comfortable enough to vlog. Okay. So today is the third day here, and the last full day. So we're heading out to, well, we're gonna grab coffee, and we're heading out to an island that's like across from here, and we're taking the ferry there. So room.
Yeah, it looks good.
So, you guys believe that before we get to go, I got bit again just by going out to the pool in like 30 minutes. So, Tony, how do you feel now that we're leaving home?
Say it.
Why?
No more alcohol.
I mean, we're still getting some more, but yeah. So basically, that's the end of this vlog, guys. And yeah, guess till next time, Cancun. I hope you guys enjoyed this vlog, and I'll see you guys next time too. Bye!